Well, every day I usually get a question, what's the easiest way to promote LiveGood, okay? Social media, of course, is always going to be a top choice. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Threads, any social media platform, it's mostly free, unless you want to do ads or something like that. But if you just post every day, be consistent, but it's got to be interesting. It's got to be entertaining because if you just post the same thing that everyone else is, no one's going to really probably want to join your group, your team, you. Okay? Because most people, they're going to know about LiveGood sooner or later, but most people that join my team, they already know LiveGood pretty darn well. And they search around for the right team or the right person to join. Okay? So social media, it's social, right? It's mostly free. You got to have a cell phone or a home computer. But social media is always going to kick butt. Emailing is always fun. YouTube, if you want to call this social media, is a top choice. I just like to turn my webcam on or my cell phone, just chat for a while. Could be for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Sometimes I do 1 hour little chit chats to my groups all over the world at this point. But anyway, here is a really good link to send people out besides the LiveGood capture page. Okay, livegoodtour.com/your username. Okay, and I'll show you that. But I'm going to show you 2 links that I provide people to look at this opportunity. And I let the videos do most of the talking about the products, wholesale, retail, where we're going, what we've done, who owns our company, who runs our company. So they're below this video. JoinCory.com. That goes to the LiveGood capture page, which you get if you join as an affiliate. You get your own web page and you get your own capture page. And for example, go to joincory.com and look at it now. This super funnel that I'm going to show you is extremely effective too. And I'm going to show you that. And you can see it yourself. Just go to workwithcory.com. Okay, both links are below this video. They are, in my opinion, the easiest way to get signups and to do this business, because if people click those links, they can decide for themselves, do they just want to go on their way? Do they want to buy the products? Either just retail, where you can go to like a Walmart or your favorite store and just buy products and get out. Because we have that on livegood.com. And if they want to be a member, they just have to spend $9.95 and they get wholesale prices. Most people do that if they like our products and they're going to use them month after month. It's better to spend 33 cents a day and buy it wholesale, that's for sure. And if they want to be an affiliate, which is $40, okay, $40 one-time fee, okay, and that's it, guys. And then $9.95 a month, that's all they have to do to qualify up to 6 bonuses. 6, not 3, not 2, 6. It's pretty exciting. And you guys can just go to the affiliate pay plan link. It's on the left side of your website if you're on a home computer. And I'll show you all this. But I just want to show you, first of all, just the capture pages that I use. Okay? So easy. Please don't get confused on how to promote this, because I know you will, and that's okay. But if you watch this video, this might kind of clean the pipes a little bit. Okay. If you look at this, this is my LiveGood capture page. You're going to have the exact one, except up here, you can put your name or business name. I like to brand myself as CoryDraper. Okay. How do people get to this? I go to GoDaddy and I bought joincory.com. See that? You hit enter and look, it goes right to this capture page. I just told GoDaddy to forward it. And you can go to any domain provider or hosting company, but I use GoDaddy. I've been with them almost 30 years. So that's one way. joincory.com/nothing. I forward it to this right here, right there. livegoodtour.com/CoryDraper. Okay, now your username is not CoryDraper. Yours can be something else. So whatever your username is, you just put there. That is your link. Okay, and this is for everyone that's not in LiveGood yet. It's so easy. Okay, so to repeat, go to your favorite place like GoDaddy, buy a domain name, and forward it to this right here. All right, obviously with your username. Okay, that is the LiveGood capture page. All right, now when you get into this super funnel, look at how nice it is. I mean, here's a short video about LiveGood, and look, all this, and see every green rectangle? Click it, guess where it goes? Yes, to your LiveGood capture page. But with the super funnel, it takes its time. And look at how many green rectangles there are that go right to your capture page. And see, guys, you can buy leads if you want and send right to this. Do you see this? getjobfree.com/LG?ID equals CoryDraper. Well, guess what? If you put your LiveGood username there, you've got your own super funnel. Okay? If you like what I'm showing you right here, just change CoryDraper to your LiveGood username and you've got it. This is free. You don't have to cost, it doesn't cost anything. This does not lead to other upsells or other any type of affiliate marketing. This is 100% yours. If you're watching this video, this is my gift to you. This is your super funnel. It's already configured. You just got to put your username after the equal sign, your LiveGood username. Now let's go on a journey. You watch this video. You go down. Look at all these green boxes. They're everywhere. And they all go to where they sign up underneath you. But look, we talk about what we can provide for you with buy traffic, emails, webs, funnels. We have so much support and training. It's insane. That's why our group is probably the most successful overall, is because we know how to duplicate our downline. Okay? We have one of the biggest groups in LiveGood. There's like 10. There's 10 super groups, and we're one of them. Okay? Take the free tour. Look at that. We just described no website, no products. You don't have to worry about customer service or any type of returns. But look at this. The super funnel is 100% configured already for you. Okay? All you got to do is just add, after the equal sign, your LiveGood username. Okay, look at this. Scroll, scroll, scroll. Look at all the green boxes that go right to you. Okay? All of them. But look at that. And all these little videos, they talk about the pay plan, the opportunity, all these things. They talk about the matching bonus. But people like this super funnel because they take their time. They want to take maybe 1 day to 2 days. I have people that sign up 1 to 2 to 3 months after watching the opportunities. Look at that. Boom. Green box. Look at that. Nothing but green boxes, videos, and just read, read, read. After people do the super funnel all the way to the bottom, they never really have any other questions other than, hey, Cory, how do I join? I want to get in your group. You've got the best support. You got the best training. It's 24 hours a day. It's a free app. But look at that, guys. You just click that green button, and look at that. It goes directly to the capture page where they can sign up with LiveGood. After they put their name and email address, reserve my position, they get an email. And that email goes right to a website called Secure My Position. And that's where you can put in your email address and you sign up, get your username. And I'll tell you what, guys, try the LiveGood capture page and try our super funnel that I can provide for you for free. You just have to add your username after the equal sign. Pretty cool. I'll put an example below this video. And that's it. How am I able to get to the top 20 out of 800,000 people? Is to make it simple. Please don't overanalyze what this is. All you got to do is just go, guys, watch this video, and then have a drink. Guys, watch this video. And you can just buy these little Pop Funko dolls. Here's the brand new Eddie Van Halen that just came out with the black guitar. Guys, watch this free video, and you can buy a Hummer. I bought this with my first LiveGood check. All right? Guys, just go ahead and watch the video. If I'm on the street, I make cards. Join Cory.com, and it forwards, guess what? Exactly to where you just saw those videos. Okay? Make it simple, make it fun. And then you're going to do the same thing I do, and so on and so on. Everyone you sign up, and you are going to be able to give all this free training and support, 24-hour marketing support. Okay? Free app, free support, free training. And if you want to try some AI, artificial intelligence, or some other software, we have that, but it's only if you want. But take your time and do it for free. These aren't free. $20, get a big old box from vistaprint.com. I just put joincory.com and I'm done. I don't do anything else. The only long form promoting I do is video, and that's because I'm kind of a video whore, I guess I'd say. I love doing videos. It's a lot of fun for me. Okay, guys, join Cory.com. Work with Cory.com. Check it out. And if you like what you see, I'm going to help you do the exact same thing. And then when you start getting signups, we're going to do the exact same thing for them too. Okay? All right. Super funnel is super badass. You guys have a good one, and get a hold of me if you have any questions. Okay. See you soon, guys.